Yo, RGC Drummer is here. Welcome to my mess. This is where I do all my shit. It's normally not quite this bad, but I've had a lot going on. As some of y'all know, I painted this thing. I did white with the pearl green, candy green wheels, blah, blah, blah. But I've had some of that going on. But I got a lot of other mods happening. That's why I'm making this video. I decided to upgrade my swing arm. I had wanted a little bit of an extension, but I didn't want to go stretched far. I used to have a 4 to 6 inch stretch, and it was just too much. It just looked a little silly. It was cool, but I wanted to be able to corner. I wanted to be able to take turns. So I found a swing arm that was just plus 2 inches, and I'm going to be installing that today. I took off my old swing arm. What I did was I loosened all the bolts before I jacked it up, because this is scary as hell, having this just sitting like this. It's really kind of freaky. Anyway, what I did was I loosened everything up, I jacked it up, pulled off the swing arm after I took the wheel off. Then I decided to go ahead and cut off the pieces that come here to the rear pegs. I figure it's not really needed. I'm going to trim off my plastics at the same spot. That'll kind of just show off the swing arm. Might look a little more streamlined. You can see right there, those two holes. There and there. And then over here too. I went, basically danced back and forth between these two grinders and got it done. It was hard to get my grinder to fit in some spots, so like I cut as far as I could and then cut back some so I could take a piece out and really get in there. And I'll post up pictures as soon as this video is done showing the weight savings. But changing swing arms, I lost a total of an even 5 pounds there, and I lost like almost 2 pounds on the little metal pieces, which, you know, whatever. I mean, your body weight's really what matters with that stuff. If it's not spinning like the wheels, you know, losing weight there matters. But either way, I will be losing about 7 pounds. But I'm doing this mainly for cosmetics and because I drag race with this little bastard. And I think it's fun to be able to give it hell without wheeling. There's stock. And here's my new guy right here. It's so pretty. Nice shiny finish to it. I just put my 2-inch lowering link back on. It doesn't hold quite as good as the other one did, but it's lodged in there, and I did a bunch of red Loctite on it too. The issue with these Thai swing arms, other than the fact that hopefully it won't kill me and break when I'm going 80, 90 miles an hour, is I got pissed because I took the axle rod and I couldn't, from my stock one, I could not fit it in here. Oh, I was frustrated. So anyway, I went looking around. I finally found the drill bit to work in here. It ended up being both ends of this shaft were just barely too tight. Everything in the middle is perfect. But what you need is a 15-30 seconds to really make it perfect. You don't want to over drill something like that because obviously you don't want this loose and rattly. But now, the way I have it, it just fits really nice. There's my axle. Let me show you here. Nice and tight, goes right in, we're good to go. The other letdown with these is the fact that this has a bearing. They advertise it as somewhat, it looks like it has a roller bearing. It has a needle bearing in there, but this shaft is just in there too tight. I don't know if it's probably just because they didn't have something better to use, but just know that there's not an improvement if you get one of these as far as it being able to spin any better. It's no different than stock. I mean, it's just a metal shaft, you know, you put a little bit of axle grease on it or whatever. But you know, just know this is mainly a cosmetics kind of a thing, and if you're really anal about, I said anal. If you're really anal about having weight savings, you're going to get some with this too. I mean, think about it. I went 2-inch stretch. Might be closer to 3, I don't know, and I still lost 5 pounds. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing on, and that's just a matter of, I'm going to slide it up, I'm going to bolt it through here, get it tight enough, and then I'm going to take my shock and hook it to the swing arm, which I have the bolts for that wherever the hell, there they are. But I'm going to get that on enough. Then I can hurry up and get my wheel on and stuff, and at least have it where I can use the swing arm stand and feel a little better about the way I have this rigged up. Okay, I got it all back together. Basically just took the swing arm, held it up into place, had to tilt it upward a little bit to get the bolt through. Got it all back together though. It's not all the way tight. It's on enough, and same with the shock. But I did get it on there, and I'm using my lowering link. It's not holding on quite as good there technically, but I think it's solid. I don't see it going anywhere. Got tons of red Loctite on it. And then once I got it on, went ahead and put my little greenies right here. Honestly, I wasn't even going to do a green chain, but it was an extra one I had lying around because I had to add a couple links. I do definitely dig the way you do the chain adjustment. Just loosen this a little, put an Allen in there, and you can just move them, and it's easily adjust the chain however you want. So anyway, yeah, I guess that's about it. It's a little bit, it seems a little longer than 2-inch stretch, which I think it'll grow on me. It's gonna look pretty badass, but I probably should have done a 1-inch on it. I think when the handle, the exhaust and everything's right there and plastics are on, it'll probably look a little more filled up. But all right, if you have any questions, give me an ask. Oh, the cost. I got this thing for like 200 bucks shipped, and it took less than 2 weeks, which is pretty crazy from Thailand. I paid for the better shipping, but anyway, just pray that these welds hold up and that I don't get hurt. Okay, signing off. Bye.
Hillbilly, 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 hillbilly. Queer bottom to your head to the beat of my kick drum. Raised in the South, rough hands with slick tongues. Ain't no shit, start of a bitch, come they get some. Sipping on yeast on a vibe, got a milk jug, middle finger kind of guy, packing me a big ass.